This is your host, Noor Ali, Right Tools for Right Job. Now, as the CD gets or DVD gets burnt, you close the tray, you click OK here, like that. Then it confirms and verifies the buffers and the sectors on the drive, just like that. Okay, you let it spin and you let it do its job. Okay, now many people say, hey, this stuff is 20 years old, this stuff is 15 years old. No, you have to know both technologies, old technologies that are going away and new technologies that are coming in. You have to have your hands on your mindset in both technologies to live, to survive, and to support end users who still have old equipment out there. I have repeated this many times over. Only the most rich, most wealthy corporation in America has upcoming technologies, because what? They have deep pockets, they have money, they have funds, right? Keep that in mind. We have retail end users and we have consumers. They don't have that kind of funds. They still survive on old equipment, right? Old technologies. But if you're going to be out there as a freelancer, as a contractor, as a IT technician, computer technician, network technician, desktop technician, help desk person, or whatever your capacity is, as an installer, as a CE, CE stands for customer engineer, you need to know both technologies, old and new, to survive and to live. It's simple as that, okay? So once this gets done, it will tell me the DVD is complete. Then I am going to redo or double back on this laptop. I'm going to back up the data again just to be sure, because you know, I learned lessons in life, right? As a technician, as an IT pro, as a professional, backup. You don't back up your data, you pay a heavy price, right? So far, cross my fingers, knock on wood, I survived and I lived because I kept backing up my data. I know bad actors are out there. They can take over your PC, your laptop, your endpoint, and cause havoc, right? That's the difference between a white hat and a black hat and a gray hat. 3 colors I mentioned. You may find that kind of information on my videos, on my shorts, on my PPT presentation, if you look for it. Anyhow, anyway, this is your host, Noor Ali, Right Tools for Right Job.